See my two kitties hanging out in the living room, staring at me. They're like, why is she sitting on the floor? I don't know. I'm just mixing it up a little. In my previous short or video, Wilie was just growling over that toy. It's like he thought he had caught something real and alive. I'm beginning to wonder what it is, a toy. Right, Wilie? I'm scared to even take it and put it away. I put away their toys because the cord is so long. I don't want them to get tangled up in it, right? Because it can be dangerous for them. Always put away things you think your kitty will choke on or, get tangled up in. I remember I bought one of those things you hang off the door, like it was really long like this, and it wasn't a good thing. Dexter, I think, got tangled up in it. You gonna eat that? So anyways, if you have things, just get rid of things they can eat. Like one time Wilie was sick for literally days and I couldn't figure out what he could have possibly have eaten. I have no idea, but I'm glad he survived. There was like 3 days where he hid and he wouldn't come.